The next generation is here, with the best-in-class DDR5 performance, upgraded DIY-friendly innovations, and new reinforcements for ultra-durable. Introducing the Z790 AORUS MASTER X. The 23-phase digital direct VRM design is built to unleash the full power of the Intel Core 14th Gen processors with the VRM thermal armor fins array. The new I/O vent design creates airflows through the I/O shield, reducing VRM's temperature by up to 7 degrees Celsius. To enable PCIe Gen 5 SSDs to run throttle-free performance, the M.2 Thermal Guard XL is designed to keep SSDs running cool, even under heavy workloads. 4 additional M.2 slots are covered by the M.2 Thermal Guard Extent, with an enlarged surface and double-side thermal pads for top-tier thermal coverage. 4 DDR5 DIMM slots with a maximum capacity of 192 GB support the best-in-class compatibility of up to XMP8266. PC building is now effortless and expeditious with the Z790 AORUS MASTER X's upgraded DIY-friendly innovations. All you need now is just one click. All the PCIe slots are optimally spaced, so the expansion cards don't interfere with each other, allowing for more headroom for the flexibility and airflows. The Z790 AORUS MASTER X provides extensive versatility for every scenario. With the introduction of the cutting-edge Wi-Fi 7 support and a new ultra-high gain antenna, wireless gaming experience is in reach with higher bandwidth and lower latency. A brand new PCIe ultra-durable Slot X now joins the lineup of GIGABYTE ultra-durable reinforcements. It provides up to 10 times load-bearing capacity and extra scratch-free PCB protection, which is a never-before-seen support for the precious graphics card. All this, and that makes the Z790 AORUS MASTER X so capable for the Intel Core 14th Gen processors, and so powerful a platform to master your game. Let's push the possibilities extremely further. Introducing the Z790 AORUS XTREME X. Building on the feature-rich foundation of the AORUS MASTER X, the AORUS XTREME X is the most powerful model of the AORUS Z790 X-Gen motherboards. The superior efficiency of VRM thermal armor means Z790 AORUS XTREME X is ready for any extraordinary situation. The M.2 Thermal Guard Extreme provides 50 times more surface area than the conventional heatsink, ensuring a remarkable, throttle-free PCIe Gen 5 performance. The LCD edge view is bigger and smarter. A 5-inch LCD display shows real-time system information, such as the core clock of the processor or the temperature of the VRMs, empowering the user to monitor the system at just one glance. The cutting-edge Wi-Fi 7 support with a new antenna, dual Thunderbolt 4 ports, 10 and 2.5 GB Ethernet ports, and the massive array of USB ports, altogether provide the extreme versatility. So, here they are, the most powerful platforms we have ever built for the Intel Core 14th Gen processor. The AORUS Z90 X-Gen motherboards exceed every expectation. Explore now.